Control. No matter how old we are, we're always looking for it. Whether it's playing a game or running a business, with ChromeOS, control comes as standard, so you can run your business the way you want to. Whether it's for kiosks or digital signage, onboarding employees, or hosting your favorite late-night menu, ChromeOS is a reliable, low-maintenance, and secure kiosk and signage solution. You can monitor and manage your business remotely, which means you can stay in charge wherever you are and have peace of mind that your devices are always working just the way you want them to. And with ChromeOS Flex, you can get these benefits on your existing hardware, reducing costs, energy consumption, and the amount of devices ending up in landfills. With ChromeOS, you can bring digital transformation to your business with no hardware cost. By replacing legacy solutions such as paper forms and signage, you can keep up with customer and employee expectations. And because it's tailored to your specific needs, it's 100% there for you, 100% of the time, giving you everything you need to run a successful, future-facing business from wherever you are. In other words, ChromeOS puts control right back where you want it, where it belongs, in the hands of you, your employees, and your customers.